The first equipment we need is handloom machine. And then we need a Kenaf, a scissors, and we need a long ruler. We hold it in the center. The end of the ruler we must cut it into V shape. Then 3-second glue and a fork to adjust the Kenaf when we woven it. Prepare the Kenaf with a desirable length but not too long, it will make your place messy. Make sure your comb is at the true place, like this, okay? Firstly, tie the Kenaf properly and then through the hole at the comb, and then make sure it through under the handloom machine steel, like this, okay? We can start weaving in the warp direction. Please make sure in every step the Kenaf is must under the steel. Please make sure the Kenaf is aligned with the line and the hole at the comb. Make sure the Kenaf is aligned and the Kenaf are not too tight and not too loose. When the Kenaf are too short, you cannot continue it. You must end it at that place and tie it properly. Not too tight and not too loose. To continue, place the Kenaf and tie it properly at the last place that we end just now. This magnet will make sure your Kenaf are not moving and stay at its place. The magnet will hold and make sure your Kenaf is on its line. This is the result after we have done in the warp direction. Put the Kenaf into the hole and tie it properly. Don't tie it too tight. Place the Kenaf on the ruler like this. Please make sure the ruler are still in the straight shape, not bent. Start in the right direction. Tie the Kenaf like this at the steel. The comb can move upward and downward. When the ruler is in left hand, please make sure the comb is in downward. We put the ruler between the Kenaf in the warp direction, like this. Make sure the end of the warp direction, we put the ruler under the steel. When the ruler is in our right hand, the comb is in upward. Make sure the ruler through under the steel like this. Okay, then we can tie it. This is from side elevation, upward and downward. We put the ruler through between it. After several times in the early process, we can use a fork to adjust the kenaf. The gap in the weft direction must not too big. This is the result after we have adjusted the kenaf in the weft direction. Make sure it is aligned and not sengit-sengit. Like I told you earlier, when the ruler in the left hand, the comb is in downward, put the ruler through and make sure the ruler under the steel. Okay, tie it properly. If we adjust earlier with the fork, we can get a straight line when we press and tie it. When the ruler in our right hand, the comb is in upward. Okay, the ruler through under the steel. This is a true and excellent shape in the weft direction. Make sure 1 centimeter must have minimum 7 kenaf in the weft direction. Put a 3-second glue around the kenaf. After complete the weaving, make sure the dimension is 24 cm in the weft direction and 25 cm in the warp direction.